Yo, what is going on, beautiful people? And on today's episode of Terrible Decision Making, we have a Reddit post. It states, girlfriend wants to be added to the deed. We had already agreed that we would live together after both of our leases end in March. In the agreement, I would pay for housing and she would, quote, pay for everything else, end quote. We decided that me purchasing a home is a better route than throwing away stupid amounts of rent in a high cost of living area. I got pre-approved last week and now she's demanding that she be added to the title. This was never part of any discussion we've had prior. The mortgage will be $5,000 a month, and I intend to pay it in full, like we had already discussed. I have already told her that if/when we get married, then I'll gladly add her to the deed. In the meantime, she gets to save a ton of money, and I estimate, quote, everything else, end quote, will be around $1,000 a month, which is half of what she's already paying currently. Am I being unreasonable? Let's unpack this, shall we? Poor guy, man. Life is honestly hard enough, okay? Without a woman, not being sexist, because some men do too. They be trying to get you. Without a woman trying to take the shirt off your back and a roof over your head. So I've worked as a mortgage servicing rep in a call center for one of the biggest banks in the country for about 3 years. And I've seen every single type of scenario where homeowners get screwed over due to taxes, insurance, marriage, divorce. I've seen it all. But never in my life have I seen someone so dopey that they're really contemplating, right, on adding their girlfriend, not their wife, but their girlfriend, not onto the mortgage, not onto the loan where there's financial responsibility, but onto the deed. Now, there's a big difference, right? Because the mortgage is pretty much a loan that you got from the bank to pay for the house, right? But the title, the deed just shows who the homeowner is, right? This is crazy, man. Like, I would legit break up with her just for asking this question because you are contributing 5 times the amount of funds for the living expenses for the home. Not only that, this mortgage was obtained based on the leverage that you had from your credit score and your employment history because they look into how much you make yearly and they also look at how long you've been making X amount of dollars over the course of time. So I just don't understand why this is even a discussion. I definitely would break up with her because this is the biggest red flag I've ever seen in my life. And I know the economy is getting hard, but we are going to have to watch our necks, not just men, women too, not just friends, family members too. Okay, nobody is safe. Don't be out here walking around like you a lollipop because you will get licked. This dude almost got licked. Like she tried to play him for a sucker. This house, this mortgage is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and she's going to be on no paperwork for the loan, but she's going to have full ownership. Make it make sense. And she's going to have full say and all the power to make buying, selling decisions. If you want to get a pool in the backyard, she can make it happen, and there's nothing you could do about it unless she signs over the deed, which definitely is not going to happen if you break up because there is nothing more fierce than a woman's scorn. You piss a woman off, good luck, especially when documentation is involved. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is very unfortunate. I never put any woman, any man that you are not married to on any paperwork whatsoever. This includes co-signing for a vehicle, co-signing for a house. Shoot, I don't care if it's a cell phone bill, man. It is their first priority to borrow the money and to use your credit score, and it's their last priority to pay you the money back, and they'll screw you over in a heartbeat if they have ill feelings towards you. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment sections below. Have a good week. I'm out.